tight and stiff from typing or breastfeeding, try these shoulder blade movements. You're going to internally and externally rotate your arm. Check out that you're really doing it from your shoulder and letting it spiral all the way down to your fingertips. After you do this a couple times, this is really cool. Try and check out your arms. That one will be longer. Make sure to do it on the other side. So this one, you're going to reach forward through your arms and then draw your shoulder blades back in towards your spine. You're not bending from your hips. You are not letting your shoulders go up and down. You're just pushing directly forward and pulling directly back. So you still have space between your shoulders and your ears. This one, you're going to lift up and then just draw your shoulders down away from your ears. So you're going to do that first, and then you'll let your elbows bend in towards your side. Now get the shoulder blades moving down separately away from your ears before you do that bend. They're not up here. You're using the sides of your back to draw your elbows down. Take a breath and then see if typing and breath